how to find image ID in Roblox. So if you want to find some IDs which you can use in your Roblox studio, here we will just load up the Roblox website and you want to click on create. Now from this page that loads, we will select store here at the top, and then we will go into images. Simply find the image which we want to use and the image whose ID we want to get. And here I'll just do this one as an example. Click on it, and now what we want to do is focus on the top here. So this is going to be the ID itself. So it's going to say store/asset/ and you want to copy these numbers here. So this is the image ID. Right click, copy, and now you can use this image in your Roblox studio or wherever you may need. And that's how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.